Action.
All right, so we're rolling?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yep.
All right, so right here we got the Graco Fast Action, that's trademarked, Jogger, system, this is the Spanish side.
Action.
We're good? All right. So right here we got the Graco Fast Action, that's a trademark, Jogger, travel system with Snug Ride 35. It's got Click Connect. That's cool. That's proprietary technology. That's nice. That's good. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's inside. It's I'm just gonna. All right, piece of cake. All right, so we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's inside. Safety, it's important. Start over here. Just, well, that came out already. This is bad tape. They should get, there's a Home Depot brand tape that's much better. No, that's coming out. All right, there we go. Now, we almost got it. So we're gonna just, there we go. There we go. Woo! Oh boy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right. All right, let's see what we got inside here. All right, let's see. We got a Frisbee. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see. We got the mandolin. That's pretty neat. Cool. Probably not going to be able to play that for a while. This is some kind of mystical chest. I don't know, probably got some kind of, no, it's a tea set. It's got a tea set in it. Let's see, what else we got? We got, oh, here we go. That's the ticket. An old CD player. That'll be good. Oh, no, that's all right. We'll just pull that out. Yeah, we got, let's see. We got Michelle Obama's Becoming. Let's see. We got a pillow. We got one of these bad boys. We got, oh, that's a handsome shirt. We got, let's see. We got an aloe vera plant. Says aloha. Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. All right. We got that. We got, let's see, there's just a whole bunch of kazoos. I've never seen so many kazoos in my life. There's just more than you could imagine. There's two separate stethoscopes. I don't know what you need two separate stethoscopes, but that's the Graco Promise. That's the Click Connect. And then there's a vase or a vase with some fake flowers. And then there, it's empty. There's darkness. It's a void. It's reflecting back at me. Nah, I'm just kidding. All right. Whew. So let's see what we've got. Some cardboard. And then look at that. Oh, this is a something. This is got a wheel in here. And then we're gonna set that down. Got a car seat. Oh my, look at that. That's great. That's the Click Connect. That's the proprietary technology that you want right there. So we're gonna set that down. And then down here, we got a cup holder. That's how you know it's good, if it's got cup holders, extra holders for cups. And then look at that, even better. All right, so we got all that. Then we got some more. Got some cardboard and the piece de la resistance. Yeah! Look at that. Egg carton. And that's the Graco Fast Action Jogger. We're gonna get that set up. We'll come back to you so you can see how it looks. All right.
Action.
Yeah, we're going? We're good? Okay, all right. All right, so here we got the full Fast Action trademark jogger from Graco. We got the car seat clicked in with the Click Connect technology. Let's show that off. Well, first, look at this. Look, closes all the way. Can do that. You got one of these little guys like that. So there's that, and then you just boom, and that's Click Connect, baby. All right, so you got that. You take that out, and then you got just the stroller like this. So you got this whole thing. You got a little tether for running. You got some brakes. You can do some wheelies and stuff. And then here's the part. So you got this, and you just like that. Whole thing's done. All right. All right, I've been reminded that there are more features that I should show off. So here we go. So let's get the unfolding. So just like that, and then you just like that, and it's back to normal. And then so you guys can see right here, there's this lane seat, and you can push it up like that. You can pull it back down just like that. Very good. You got these big, nice thick tires, very good. They got brakes on them. You can stop them in an instant. Let's see what else we got. This thing goes like that. Also, though, goes like that, huh? Huh? Yeah. All right. And then it goes like that. Yeah, you got it. 2 cup holders for the baby, because the baby. You got 2 cup holders on the back, 1 for each parent right here. So 1 for each parent, 2 for the babies. You got this phone holder that will not hold any phones. They're not that size anymore, but it was a nice idea, Graco, and they got this lovely container in here, this great thing that we're going to put some stuff in here. I wish there had been a kazoo in there when I opened it up, but oh well. Hey, what are you looking at?